Are you in the market for an outdoor fire pit? Well, YITAHOME sent this over to me so that way I could do an unboxing and assembly video for you to show you what this outdoor fire pit is all about. So let's get this box open. So this is everything that was inside the box. So now let's get it assembled. And just like that, this YITAHOME propane fire pit has been assembled and is working. The quality on the product is top notch. It was packaged very well. I didn't see any problem with the powder coated material. The unit itself is maybe about 50, 60 pounds total. There is a nifty cover that covers up the lava rock and the area for your flame. The cover itself will then attach to the front and make sure that it's out of the way. You do have your propane controls and igniter underneath the center over here. So if I turn on the propane, and just like that, you're able to adjust the size of the flame and the amount of heat that it is going to throw off. Now, on this side, there is a door that swings open, and that's where you put your 20-pound propane tank into the cradle. You're able to lock that in with a screw, and then on top, you're going to screw your propane hose into the burner, and that's what's going to feed propane to the fire pit. Now, a bonus with this is that they did give you the screwdriver to assemble it, so don't fear. If you don't have a screwdriver, they provide it. And lastly, once this is done and you put the cover back on it, they gave you a cover to cover the entire thing so that way you could protect it from the outside elements. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. They knocked it out of the park. I am very excited to use this on the upcoming winter months. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Go out, grab yours today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your purchase.